ह्या घुमटाचो हांव मागता गोवन ट्रेडिशनल मिनेजीस बॉयज वेर्णा हांच्यानी वयर माचयेर येवची आनी आपली कला सादर करची. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Goan traditional Menezes Boys Verna.
Zange melere dongor roino Okonda slote ambil jeino Atampa horosiat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Atampa horosiat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Uro zange melere dongor roino Okonda slote ambil jeino Atam ka fora siat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Atam ka fora siat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Dongor roino Okonda slote ambil jeino Atam koros yat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Atam koros yat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Zange melere dongor roino Okonda slote ambil jeino Atamka hora siat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Atamka hora siat resita ko kombio haino Ania bailange na totoino Amge dogai to kai nena Mukkelo murgo atana Lendo kai vaura otongeli kusumona Valendo kai vaura otongeli kusumona Amge dogai to kai nena Mukkelo murgo atana Valendo kai vaura otongeli kusumona Valendo kai vaura otongeli kusumona oya Zache goin karu kitu usharu Sugle rat nastaito yai sobe mazaru Naton ami zai nai kasaru Ami gazoi tai goinche sharu Nizache goin karu kitu usharu Sugile rat nastaito yai sobe mazaru Naton ami zai nai kasaru Ami gazoi tai goinche sharu Kulmi ami shatan wauru kotai Kudore galu ami zomin fundai Kamore galu ami dondi fundai Anga kondo gan kam kotai Kulmi ami shatan wauru kotai Kudore galu ami zomin fundai Kamore galu ami dondi fundai Anga kondo gan kam kotai Shetaroili ami amcha tanu उदक लायले तांकां एक मोतीन भातकोड्यान घातले आमी एकेच रातीन आमी कुळमी गाजातीन शेतां रोयली आमी आमच्या हातान उदक लायले तांकां एक मोतीन भातकोड्यान घातले आमी एकच रातीन आमी कुळमी गाजातीन देव बरें करूं.
The next artist is Dr. Pandurang Faldesai. It is with pride that we inform you that Dr. Faldesai comes with a background which is extremely illustrious. Born in the quaint village of Poingini in the pre-liberation era, his father and uncle were part of the freedom struggle, and this influenced his childhood and inspired a love for the motherland and its various folk facets. Bonded to this land and with a passion for folk art and festival, he took up a job as a correspondent for local daily for 5 years, but his inner urge to find a placement for Goan folk arts and artists at a national and international level led him to carry out a research which gave him a doctorate degree from Goa University. He has had the privilege to represent Goa and India at the various international folk arts forum. Along with Goan artists, he has served in the Kala Academy Goa for 35 years, of which he has the honor of serving the last 8 years as member secretary. We present to you Dr. Pandurang Faldesai. Okay, I now call upon stage Shri Vairagi Navadurga Ghumat Aarti Mandal, Madkai.
श्री गजानन महाराज की जय. स्वयं भू अवतारा जय देवा नागेशा. स्वयंभू अवतारा जय देवा नागेशा. स्वयंभू अवतारा जय देवा नागेशा. स्वयंभू अवतारा जय देवा नागेशा. ओ वाळू आरती तुझला. ओ वाळू आरती तुझला. ओ वाळू आरती तुझला. ओ वाळू आरती तुझला. भक्त तारका महारुद्रा. भक्त तारका महारुद्रा. काल दिंडी श्रावण मासी. सारे दिंडी श्रावण मासी. श्रावण मासी. 7 दिवस हा भक्ती सोहळा. 7 दिवस हा भक्ती सोहळा. हरिनामात रंगला माझा देव हा. हरिनामात रंगला माझा देव हा. जय हरिसी भस्म लावणी कपाळी भक्तांच्या
देवा नागेशा
जय देवा नागेशा स्वयंभू अवतारा जय देवा नागेशा
तिथून गेले नेत्र मुझे नौका विहार पाहुनी
टिपून गेले नेत्र मुझे नौका विहार पाहुनी
पावन झाली तुझ्या प्रसादे भांडीवडेची पुण्यभूमी
पावन झाली तुझ्या प्रसादे बांधिवडेची पुण्यभूमी बांधिवडेची पुण्यभूमी बांधिवडेची पुण्यभूमी
Fluid and Power Automations. We provide services in illumination, substations, power cabling, transmission lines, and internal wiring. Fluid and Power Automations. A7, second floor, New SR Galaxy, Shankarwadi, Taligaon, Goa.
पप्पा तुका याद आसा न्हू
होय याद आसा चल या आता मेळ्ळें
पप्पा आमी फुडले फावटी खंय या
फुडल्या फावटी तुका नव्या जाग्यार व्हरता
बाय पप्पा
बाय
तू सुख करता तू दुःख हरता तूच करता आणि करविता सबंद गोमंतकीयांक चवथ ही सगळ्यात महत्वाचो उत्सव आसा सगळ्या उत्सवा भितर आणि त्या उत्सवा खातीर अप्रदीप शेठ सचिव भारतीय जनता पार्टी तुमकां सगळ्या गोंयकारांक ह्या उत्सवाचे हांव परबीं दिता तशेंच भारतीय जनता पार्टी मडकय मतदारसंघा तर्फे हांव सगळ्या मडकेकारांक चवथीची उनवनीत परबीं सांगता.
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमॅन म्हाका दिसता आतापर्यंत तुम्ही हो प्रोग्राम एन्जॉय केलाच आसतलो जशें हांवें म्हटलां आनीक काही सत्कार मुर्ती आसा आमचे बट ताच्या खातीर लेट मी कॉल अपॉन स्टेज लेडीज जेंटलमॅन शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर par excellence, an authority in hospitality, extremely successful leader in business, motivator and philanthropist. Any person having an inclination for music, I believe, is always the most beautiful person by heart. Exceptionally great singer and plays various instruments exclusively, that's drum. She has been promoting folk and traditional music of Goa across globe. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my pleasure to welcome on stage the Managing Director of Fomento Resorts and Hotel Limited, Mrs. Anju Timlo. जशें हांवें म्हटलें की आतां वेळ आसा सत्कार करपाचो आनी एक व्हेरी सिनियर पर्सनाक हांव आतां हांगा आफोवपाक सोदतां दॅट इज विनायक खेडेकर. Born in the historic village of Kher in Saoiveram in Ponda Taluka, this young child was to take the pride and love of Goan heritage, the folk arts and history of musical instruments, make the sky the limit. Coming from a pristinely family background, Mr. Khedekar had to travel to various houses for rituals and even to small villages where he was exposed to various practicing folk arts and of Dhalo, Shigmo, Zati and various other folk songs. He has been at the helms of affair of Kala Academy. Just to give a glimpse of his achievement, at the beginning of the new millennium, the budget of Kala Academy grew from 60,000 rupees in 1973 to 1.5 crores, and the staff grew strength from initial of 5 to almost 110. In pursuit of understanding cultures, he's traveled to South America, Russia, working on projects of festivals of India promoted by the ICCR, Indian Council of Cultural Research. Mr. Vinayak Vishnu Khedekar has been felicitated with many awards and citations at state and national level. The next guest to be felicitated is तांच्या बद्दल तुम्ही आता ऐकलात असतले पहिल्या चर्चा सत्रांत Born on 28 November 1970 and a resident of Kepe, João Fernandes has been actively involved in presentation and promotion of tribal culture with zeal and passion. I request João Fernandes to kindly come up on stage. Though he is known to us as the cultural artist, he is qualified and practicing advocate, but his passion is cultural activities related to lesser known communities of Goa. Being a founder member of the Adivasi Sangatana Kepe, he has been a humble but major entity in the promotion of various cultural events and mega festivals and is credited with organizing the annual tribal festival of Adivasi Sangatana of Kepe. He also has the literacy credit, many articles on folk arts, and also a book in Devanagari script called Goinso Moor Awaz, based on the cultural heritage of Gowda community of Goa. Inasio traditional dance troupe Verna.
No man gaon re tore tore maye, no man gaon tore tore maye. Ami boy sole saibin tuje saule ko, ami boy sole tuje saule ko.
The next gentleman to be felicitated is Mr. Anthony Fernandez. I request him to kindly come up on stage. He is in the business of pottery and has inclination to make ghummat. Born in 1967 at Mapsa, today he has made thousands of ghummat. It is his urge to give this gift of pottery and ghummat making to the future generation. Ladies and gentlemen, Anthony Fernandez. जोरदार ताळ्यांनी ह्या कार्यक्रमाक उर्बा दिया. आयचे आमचे जे आर्टिस्ट आसा हांगासर जांच्यांनी परफॉर्म केले तांकांय बीन आणि मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली आमचे आयचे हे सत्कार मूर्ती. Well, I request Madam to give away some gummats to some of the educational institutes who have been always supportive